Pimple Powder Pack, a natural blend of Neem, Turmeric, Clove, Saffron, and Multani Mitti. This Ayurvedic formula helps fight against acne, reduce inflammation, absorb excess oil, and brighten your skin naturally and gently. Hi, beautiful ladies. Welcome back to PanchAyu. If you have been with me for a while, you already know that I have shared many powerful natural solutions for acne and pimples on my channel. From DIY packs to hair serums. And guess what? In my upcoming videos, I'm going to share powerful Reiki healing techniques for acne-prone skin. So stay tuned. So far, you have shared so much love and support. Thank you for all those comments and courage. Today, I'm going to share another gem to our skincare family, an Ayurvedic Pimple Powder Pack that you can customize for your dry or oily skin. So let's start. This recipe uses 5 Ayurvedic ingredients, each with natural cleansing properties. Neem powder, a natural antibacterial that purifies the skin and remove toxins. Turmeric powder, reduce inflammation and brighten your skin. Clove powder helps to dry out pimples and prevent breakouts. Saffron, add glow to your skin, reduce scar formation and improve your skin tone. Multani Mitti powder, absorb excess oil and tighten your pores. This combination is perfect for both active acne and post-acne marks. To make this powder, simply mix 1 tablespoon of neem powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of clove powder, and 5 to 6 crushed saffron threads. And 1 tablespoonful of Multani Mitti powder. Here's how to use it according to your skin type. Let's think for oily or acne-prone skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of our powder with rose water or cucumber juice. Apply on clean skin and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and wash off with cool water. For a dry or a sensitive skin, mix 1 tablespoon of our powder with milk, aloe vera gel or honey. Apply gently on your face, avoid eye area. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and wash off with lukewarm water. Use 2 to 3 times per week for best results. This powder can cleanse the pimples and reduce redness, prevent future breakouts, fades the dark spots, brighten your skin and smoothen, keep your skin balanced whether dry or oily. If you love this recipe, you'll also enjoy my other pimple remedies. Please check out, all links are in the description. They all work beautifully when used alongside with this pimple powder pack. Let's heal naturally together. Try this Ayurvedic pimple powder pack and share your results in the comments. If this video helped you, give it the thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell so you will not miss my upcoming natural beauty secrets. Stay tuned, stay glowing. Thank you for watching.